Many foreign tourists who come to Vietnam are very surprised and excited by the rich culinary culture. More and more people have become curious and want to find out how Vietnamese dishes are cooked and what ingredients make up each dish. For years, special cooking classes have been held for both Vietnamese and foreigners. And thanks to these classes, tourists feel more connected to Vietnam and its people. Today's episode of Connecting Cultures will take you to one of these exciting classes.
Yeah, very inspiring.
Surprising, fun.
Wow, this is such an amazing cooking class.
Those were the feelings of the attendees participating in the cooking class. And here are the traditional Vietnamese dishes after they were finished: pho, bún chả, and spring rolls. Before cooking delicious dishes like these, participants went to the market with a chef to have an authentic Vietnamese cultural experience.
Trên cung đường đi chợ thì cũng là việc khách được thưởng thức các món ăn đường phố hay là các cái nguyên liệu khách được nhìn thấy còn tươi mới, và khách cũng có thể tham gia việc mua bán, và có nhiều thực khách còn được học cách mặc cả để mua nguyên liệu làm sao đó đúng văn hóa của người Việt Nam.
It was a fantastic experience. The traditional basil that you have, all those are scents or smells that I didn't or that I don't know from Germany or from France. So this is when you walk the streets of the small markets and you have the smell coming. This is just very very new to me. What surprised me most is just the energy of the market.
It's a really unforgettable moment for me. It was my first time experiencing buying grocery in a local market. I've never seen such a huge cinnamon, for example.
After the market, they went straight to the kitchen, where the chef guided each attendee from start to finish. They were able to make Vietnamese dishes themselves, taste the spices, talk with each other, and learn about the cuisine. The whole experience created an exciting atmosphere and is also considered one of the best ways to interact with and experience different cultures.
Bún chả, we cooked summer rolls, but also to learn the traditional basis of Vietnamese cuisine, and yeah, then take all those experiences back home with me. So, you know, I'm traveling alone. I have never felt alone. The way that Vietnamese people are welcoming others with their open arms, that has been my experience.
We can connect together even if we are from different culture, because food reunites us.
This is a great exchange culture experience for me because I've got to meet friends from Germany and also from Italy, and I think it's great for me to know more about their cultures, and also it's great for me to share my Vietnamese culture.
Cooking classes like these have been offered by Chef Nguyễn Mạnh Tiến for over 20 years. He hopes to connect many international friends with Vietnam and make Vietnamese cuisine more accessible to the world.
Khách rất háo hức về nhà nấu lại món ăn và chụp ảnh gửi chia sẻ lại nhà hàng và cảm ơn, hào hứng và rất muốn giúp đỡ, bởi vì khi giữ được liên lạc với khách, đó là một cái cầu nối về văn hóa rất tốt. Khách chia sẻ và khách cũng rất muốn quay lại Việt Nam vào những dịp khác.
And that is the end of our program. If you'd like to catch us online, download the VTV Go app from your Google Play or App Store, or tune in our YouTube channel at youtube.com/VTV4Go for more of our programs. And don't forget to join us next week for another episode of Culture Mosaic. Goodbye for now.